Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we are going to talk about an absolutely gorgeous car that we just got in, a 1956 Oldsmobile Convertible Super 88. Wow, I'm going to give you all the details in a moment. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a really special car, in my opinion, because of the quality of this car is unsurpassed. It is absolutely gorgeous. A 1956 Oldsmobile Super 88. You always notice, you can see that the Oldsmobile always likes to put their little emblems if it's a 98 or an 88 or whatever. So when someone sees the car, they definitely know what it is. But no, you can really see that this is an exceptionally nice car. Now you're going to want to watch this entire video from start to end because we're going to do a walk around, we're going to do a cold start, we're going to do all the extra pictures, everything on this car. Now you can also find this information on our website by clicking on the link in the description. It'll take you right to our website and it'll have the pricing and everything on this car, and as also it will have all of our other cars that Ellingson Motorcars currently has in inventory, and it's close to 100 really nice trucks, cars, resto mods, you name it, convertibles, going all the way back from the 1920s all the way up into the 70s and beyond. So if you're looking for any kind of a classic, we probably have it in-house right here at Ellingson. So make sure to check out our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. But let's get back to this, what I consider a really, really beautiful car. Oldsmobile was kind of in their prime in the 50s. They were just making the cars better and better, more performance, more good looks. I mean, they still had all the cool stuff with the rocket stuff. You know, Rocket 88 was one of the big things that Oldsmobile was touting way back in the deal, a rocket V8, if you will. Me as a kid, I loved the rocket ships. I mean, on the hoods, we had 56. Oldsmobile didn't have a convertible. We had probably the low-end four-door, but hey, back in the day, my dad was kind of an Olds man. We did end up with a 57 J2 one time, so that was a really special car. But Oldsmobile, like I said, the V8 engine, the 324 V8, and this is a Super 88. Super 88s had a little more trim, had a few more options that were included, and this car has both power steering and power brakes. I'm going to tell you, power steering on these old cars is really, really a plus if you ask me, because if you're trying to park it someplace, go to the car show, driving down the road, it is just a really nice feature to have, and a lot of these cars didn't come with it. Probably cost you an extra $60, but you know, in those days everything was an option. You had to sign on at the dealership when you were buying cars. You had to check off everything that you wanted, be it the wide whitewall tires, the full hubcaps, you know, that you have, which is correct for 1956. The grills on these things was kind of a new innovation. Kind of looks like a big chrome, you know, intake for a big jet or something. I mean, it was kind of one of the new looks, if you will, for Oldsmobile in 1956. You look at the color combination of this car, beautiful color combination, Festival red with Alcan white. I mean, isn't that 50s personified in my world? I mean, you can't do much better. And like I say, with the wide white walls, and I mean, it really has a tremendous look to it. Now take a look at the inside of this car. Exceptionally well done, beautiful interior all the way around. I still love the fact they have vent windows. Vent windows for me always was a big thing as a kid because mom and dad at the time smoked. And as a kid, you know, when they open that little vent window, at least it sucks some of the smoke out of it. I guess you're in a convertible. Probably wouldn't have been so much of a problem with the convertible, but what a beautiful dash setup. Oldsmobile really did an outstanding job with the two pods, if you will, with the radio in the center. I mean, it's got its original AM radio. It's got the clock. You know, Oldsmobile, one change that they did do in 56, trying to simplify things, they got rid of some of the gauges and put in what they claim to be idiot lights. I don't know why they use that word idiot lights. I guess when your oil light comes on, maybe you're an idiot because it's by then, maybe your motor is a little past its prime, but that was just one of the trends that everything was going. I believe Hudson was the first people that had the true idiot lights. But yeah, beautiful car all the way around, beautiful convertible top, power top, of course. Like I said, you got power steering, power brakes, power top, I mean, and an automatic. So this is one of those cars with the Hydra-Matic. You jump in, put it in gear, and away you go. Anybody can drive this car. Absolutely anybody in the world. Beautiful boot on it. Of course, with the Super 88, you've got the dual exhaust. I really like they got these little chrome tips on the bottom of the bumper, which is really, it was just one of those performance things. Plus, it gives it a really nice sound. Now, you can find all of our cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate that very much. Plus, you'll get the pleasure of finding this car, current inventory, and inventory from the past. Sometimes some really cool cars we've sold over the years. Check those sites if you got some time, just if you're perusing the internet. But no, it's one of those cars that's just really, it's got everything going for it. You got the right, V8, you got power steering, power brakes, power top, automatic, beautiful color combination, beautiful chrome paint. It is just one of those cars that would fit in anybody's collection. I don't care if you're not an Oldsmobile person, you're gonna like this car. Now, if you're like me, I'd like to come down and look at it in person. Well, you're welcome to come to Ellingson's anytime. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 to 5 and Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So if you want to come down, take a look at this car and any of our close to 100 other cars, love to have you come down. No, this is something that, back in the day here in Minnesota, we didn't see it when I was a kid. You didn't see as many convertibles. They just weren't quite as popular in our neck of the woods, I guess, at the time because we have long winters. But if you're someplace now where you really want to have your first true classic car, you want a convertible, I'll tell you what, this is the kind of car that would fit in anybody's garage. Well, we thank you for watching our video today. Hopefully I gave you enough information to make some of your decisions. If you're looking for one of these cars, make sure to check out our website again at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. Thank you again, and see you next time.